easy for me to forget sometimes that we build these cars to drive them, especially when you're spending as much time as I do in the shop, building, repairing. And this year, it's been time. I haven't had a car on the road in years, and this year it just has made sense and it has felt right to get cars on the road so that we can actually drive them. And you guys are a part of that. You've definitely encouraged me to get some of these cars out and start using them. So we've spent a lot of time recently getting things back on the road. So we want to share a little bit of that with you today. So let's watch the show intro and we'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike. This is My Car's Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
This is probably going to be a shock, but please subscribe to the channel. You know you want to. All the cool kids are doing it. Right down there in the bottom of the screen. Go for it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little excursion. He burned up a whole bunch of money in racing fuel and pretty good couple bucks worth of tires as well. Still got a lot of tread and a lot of smoke to let out of them yet. They're not out of smoke by any means, but definitely laid some good patches today. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. And there's one more thing to keep in mind. This car right here, right there, it has a 200 shot of nitrous. We haven't even touched yet. We've not even come close to unleashing all the Wildcats this car has to offer. Rock on.